Senator Antonio Trillanes IV wants Hillmarks Construction Corporation to be placed under a provisional blacklist.
Obviously, the engineering practices of Hillmarks are highly irregular. Can you put them in a provisional blacklist? And for the COA, can you instruct the different government agencies dealing with Hillmarks to withhold further payments until we resolve this issue?
Trillanes lamented that Hillmarks made a very unsound decision when it built the foundation of the parking building without seeing the entire plan of the project.
Very unsound yung ginagawa nila na they will build a foundation, hindi nila alam kung ano yung gaano kataas yung itatayong building, kung 100 stories pala yan. Tapos ginawa nila ng foundation is only for 10 stories. Di malaking mapipilito niya. Before
this, Senate Majority Leader Alan Peter Cayetano grilled engineer Efren Canlas, chairman of the board and incorporator of Hillmarks, over his testimony that he didn't see the entire plan for the construction of the 11-story building when they bid out for the phase 1 of the said project.
As the winner for the first phase and then eventually lahat, there was no original plan of the whole building presented to you.
Wala po, Your Honor. So, alam ninyo, you were building a foundation for a building. Pero yung itsura ng building na kung saan yung foundation gagawin ninyo, hindi nyo po nakita. Nung nagbibid kayo sa phase 1. Tama po ba yan? Opo, Your Honor.
Arvin Mendoza, reporting for Inquirer.net.